Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a neon glow background using gradient editor. Open a blank canvas and choose a dark base color. Go to the gradient editor and select bright neon tones pink and purple. Then set the gradient style to radial for a glowing effect, and also drag from the center to spread your color softly. Now duplicate and rotate the layer to create interesting glows. Change blending mode to screen for lightened blending. Now use a soft razor to fade edges slightly and add a blur to make it dreamy. Try using hue saturation to shift the glow tones. This makes your neon design more dynamic and cyberpunk like. You can also add text with an outer glow.